How to log in to Binance with QR code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to Binance with QR code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Binance in your browser. You can directly head over to binance.com as well. And after you're there, you will see the page load up, and on the top right, you'll find the login option. Tap on the login option, and after you tap on it, it'll take you to this page right here. Now this is the login portal for Binance. There are several other ways you can log in as well, but tap on the QR code icon on the top right side of the login page, and there you will find the QR code which you can use to log in into your account. Now all you have to do is open up Binance in your mobile phone and then simply use the scanner in there to scan this code, and you'll get logged in into your account, and it's that simple. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and if you're not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe as well. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.